My dear subscribers, today I am discussing herbs and spices. You all know the herbs and spices are used in every house and contain numerous health benefits in addition to satisfying our taste buds. They are being used since ancient times and were also used for treatment of various health issues. Today, I will briefly discuss 12 herbs and spices of daily use which are quite beneficial for health. So, number one, saffron. Saffron was first documented in 7th century BC. Since then, saffron was used for 4,000 years in the treatment of some 90 illnesses. Saffron is a powerful spice high in antioxidants. It has many health benefits. It is good for treating sleep problems, insomnia, cancer, hardening of the arteries, intestinal gas, depression, Alzheimer's, pain, heartburn, and dry skin, etc. Number two is black seed, which is also called kalonji. People have used this seed to make medicine for over 2000 years. It was even discovered in the Pharaoh's tombs. Historically, black seed has been used for headache, toothache, nasal congestion, asthma, arthritis, and intestinal worms. The seed were also used for the treatment of diabetes, pain, and digestive tract issues. Number three is cinnamon. Native to Ceylon, Sri Lanka, it dates back in Chinese writings to 2800 BC. It lowers blood sugar levels and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. People have used cinnamon since 2000 BC in ancient Egypt. In medieval times, doctors used to treat conditions such as coughing, arthritis, and sore throats. It is now the second most popular spice after black pepper in the United States and Europe. Number four, black pepper. The first record of pepper date back to 2000 years BC, when it was mentioned in the ancient Indian writings. And peppercorns were found in the nostrils of the pharaohs Ramses II. Black pepper and its active compound piperine may have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Several studies suggest it may improve cholesterol levels, blood sugar control, and brain and gut health. Number five, peppermint. It is used since ancient Egypt days, where dried peppermint was found in the pyramids. The ancient Western world, including the Egyptian, along with Greek and Romans, used peppermint to aid upset stomachs. It is believed to have calming effects. It is used to treat flatulence, menstrual pains, diarrhea, nausea, depression, anxiety, muscle and nerve pain, the common cold, indigestion, and even IBS. Number six, turmeric. The use of turmeric dates back to 4000 years in India, where it was used as a culinary spice and had some religious significance. It probably reached China by 700 AD, East Africa by 800 AD, West Africa by 1200 AD, and Jamaica in the 18th century. The most active compound of turmeric is curcumin, which contains significantly proven health benefits to improve heart health and prevent against Alzheimer's and cancer. It is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and may also help improve symptoms of depression and arthritis. Number seven is ginger. Dating back over 5000 years, ginger has long been seen as a tonic root that is good for what ails you. Originally, used by the Indians and ancient Chinese. Ginger was first discovered in Southeast Asia and was brought to the attention of the world by the Roman Empire in the 1st century AD. It can treat nausea and has anti-inflammatory properties. Number 8 is garlic. Garlic is one of the oldest known crops. Egyptian and Indian culture refers to garlic 5,000 years ago, and it was used by the Babylonians around 4,500 years ago and by the Chinese 2,000 years ago. Garlic is known for reducing cholesterol and blood pressure as well as the antioxidant properties. It may reduce the risk of common brain disease like Alzheimer's and dementia. Garlic contains antioxidants that protect against cell damage and aging. Number 9 is fenugreek. Its usage dates back as far as 6,000 years ago. Various research papers show that this spice was used in early 400 BC. Fenugreek is a unique herb that has long been used in alternative medicine. It has benefits for lowering blood sugar levels, boosting testosterone. Fenugreek may also reduce cholesterol levels, lower inflammation, and help with appetite control. Number 10 is cayenne pepper. It is very old and was cultivated in Mexico 7,000 years ago and in Peru 4,000 years ago. The Native American used cayenne as a food and as a medicine for stomach aches, cramping, pains, gas, and disorder of the circulatory system for 9,000 years. Cayenne was brought to Europe in the 15th century by Christopher Columbus. As per various research papers, it aids in digestion and provides extra protection to the stomach against infections. Number 11 is basil. This herb has been cultivated for over 5,000 years, with its reach spreading to all corners of the globe. It is known as nutrient powerhouse. Basil is an excellent source of vitamin K and manganese, a very good source of copper, vitamin A in the form of carotenoids such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, and a good source of calcium, iron, folate, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Number 12 is rosemary. It has been used medicinally dating back to the ancient Greeks and Romans in 500 BC. Rosemary was even found in Egyptian tombs from 3000 BC. Rosemary is a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which are thought to help boost the immune system and improve blood circulation. Rosemary is considered a cognitive stimulant, boost alertness, intelligence, improve memory, alleviate muscle pain, boost the immune and circulatory system, and promote hair growth, etc. My dear friends, that's all for today. Please do include these herbs and spices in your diet in moderation to get health benefits. I wish you all a very healthy, happy, and successful life. We will meet soon with some other topic of interest. Please subscribe my channel and favor me with your comments or observations on this video. Thank you very much for watching this video clip.